What is the result of mixing olive oil and honey and leaving it overnight? Can this simple and easy method change our lives? The answer is yes. Olive oil and honey are both hailed as nature's miracles, each possessing many unique benefits. Widely used in cooking and beauty, olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which helps promote heart health and skin hydration. Honey, on the other hand, has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe sore throats, boost immunity, and heal wounds. When olive oil and honey are mixed together, their benefits complement each other, creating an even more powerful combination. When blended, this combination acts as a nutritional supplement to help boost energy, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system. At the same time, it can also be used for skincare. A facial mask mixed with olive oil and honey can moisturize and soothe the skin, making it younger and healthier. All in all, the results of just mixing olive oil with honey and letting it sit for one night are absolutely life-changing. Whether it's in terms of diet or beauty, this simple method can have many benefits. Let's try this combination and enjoy the changes it brings. What happens inside your body when you mix olive oil with honey? Olive oil and honey are renowned for their natural health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is celebrated as one of the healthiest oils, packed with monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, and essential nutrients. These compounds are vital for maintaining heart health, reducing inflammation, and providing antioxidant protection. Honey, with its natural sweetness, is a rich source of glucose and other beneficial compounds. It has been used for centuries for its antibacterial properties, energy-boosting effects, and ability to soothe sore throats. We'll delve into the powerful benefits of combining olive oil with honey, explore the science behind their synergy, and show you the best way